Good day everyone, I am Marib and today we will be coding a gambling strategy or betting strategy using the reference site Stake, that's the most known website, and the strategy it's called Martingale. Okay, so before starting the video, I'd like to say do not gamble. It's a waste of time and a waste of money. In the long run, you may face huge losses or lose your life saving. Okay, so the strategy I have coded it uses the dice game that is I guess the most played game of the current time. I don't play but I have seen it I guess. So let's move to the dice game and explore it. Here I am on the page of dice game. Okay, so let's try a simple bet. Let me place a bet of 0.01 as my balance is too low. So when we hit the bet, the chances of winning are either 50% and the chances of losing are the 50%. We can either win or lose.
It's not accurately 50%. Let me show you. Win chances here are 49.5%. This is how the like gambling providers make money. In the long run, they can make a lot by like 0.1, 0.02 rupees. In the long run, it's a lot. So, what we are going to do is code a gambling strategy that will, for a short run, it will give you profit, but in the long run, eventually you'll face huge losses with this. So, here is the code that I did. Let me show you from the index.html. It's a web-based strategy. Let me show you. You can understand this. I'll provide the code on GitHub. Everyone can go and check out. Link is in the description. Check this out. This is just the normal front end. I have used Bootstrap and everything. And here I am using two buttons: start strategy and stop strategy. Okay, and here I am using results, results that I am saving. Now we have the total wins or total losses. It will show the logged results of wins or losses. Okay, here is the actual strategy. First of all, let me show you. This is the amount, that's the default amount we are using for betting. Here is the total wins and total losses that we are saving into headers. Is running false. Let is running is false because when we open the web page, it's not automatically running the strategy. Okay, here this is the header cookies and everything from the stake. Let me show you how you can get this. You need to inspect in the stake. Here, go to the network section, and when we bet, it will give you a GraphQL. It's a type of thing in the sending and receiving requests. Here you can see the preview, response, everything what happens here. And for getting the cookies and everything, you can right click on GraphQL and copy the CURL, curl or CURL, whatever we call this. Here it is the same thing, CURL. Wait, let me show you. Not the exact same. I have added one more file, proxy.php. Here it is. We are using state.bet. This is the API that we are using, sending and receiving requests. This is the headers data, my cookie and everything. Uh, Fortunately, I'll log out before uploading this video, so you cannot use my cookie to do this. You have to use your own, otherwise the request will not go through. So here is the cookie data, and I am using curl or curl, whatever you call this. Once again, here is the code, sending and receiving requests. You can check this out. Let me show you the index once again. The betting strategy actually here. Start strategy, when we hit the start button, is running. Now it will run. That's true. Uh, Let me show you here actual strategy. If we lose, or the result is less than 50.5 here. If the result is less than 50.5, we lose, or if it is more than 50.5, we win. So in the strategy, what I have done is if the result is less than 50.5, we double the amount. If you have enough liquidity for like if we lose in a row for maybe 10 times, eventually at some point we are going to win. So if you have enough liquidity to maintain the 12 bets in a row, you can eventually win in a short run, but not in a long run. The strategy might work for short time, but in a long time, in long run, you are going to lose. So here's the strategy. If result is less than, a result is greater than, like if we, like 1 second, if we lose, amount will increase by 2x. For example, if we bet 1 rupees and lose, the amount will be 2. If we lost 2 again, the amount will be 4. Eventually, you are making a little profit here. Uh, Losses in a row will increment and the amount will be increased. Total losses will be also increased. So it will update the front end. Let me show you the front end of this strategy. Here it is. Uh, let's try running this strategy. Look at my amount, it's 1.79 currently, and we will run this start strategy. It's going through one loss, loss, one loss. So here it's updating total losses and total wins. Okay, let me stop the strategy. We have won 11 times in a 11 times and we lost 6 times. 1.79 was my balance and here it is 1.90. So we won couple of times and we lost. And what the strategy actually does, when you lose in a row, it doubles your amount. So in a like we can say in a long run, you are eventually making a little profit. But if you don't have enough liquidity for multiple bets, if it will lose in a, lose many times, you are going to lose your savings. So first of all, I would like to say don't gamble, but if you are gambling, do it for a short time and cash out.